In this video, I will show how to save a Google Sheet on desktop. So open Google Sheets. Now to save this Google Sheets on desktop, click on File, Download, and you can download as PDF, Microsoft Excel, Open Document, or as a web page. You can select here Export as a current sheet, workbook, or selected cells. You can select paper size, select margins. Also, you can add these options, or you can remove these options. In formatting, you can show or hide. Then export. Now open on your desktop. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you. And another method, click on print. You can select workbook also. So it will include all pages here. And same, you can enable or disable any particular page or worksheet. You can make it portrait or landscape. You can scale to normal. Fit to hide or fit to page. Then click on next. Now here select save as PDF. There are some more options. All pages, layout, and in the more settings, you can enable or disable headers and footers, background graphics, then save it. Give any name and save. So this is the method, guys. You can save a Google Sheets on desktop. Thanks for watching.